Welcome to the Excel Library tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to export an Excel chart as an image using the Syncfusion .NET Excel Library. This includes converting a chart to PNG and JPEG formats. These are the chart types supported for image conversion. For more details, check the UG link provided in the description. The following chart elements are supported during the image conversion. Exporting Excel charts as images is useful when you need to embed chart visuals in PDF reports. Send chart snapshots and email alerts, display charts on web dashboards without relying on Excel, or archive chart visuals for audits. I'll begin by opening an existing ASP.NET Core application where the Syncfusion XLSIO.NET Core package is already installed. To learn how to get started with the Excel library, refer to the video link in the card and the description. For this conversion, first I need to install Syncfusion XLSIO Renderer package, which is required for chart-to-image rendering. I open the NuGet Package Manager, go to the Browse tab, search for Syncfusion XLSIO Renderer.NET Core package, and click Install to add it to the application. Next, I'll show you how to export an Excel chart to an image by clicking a button in the UI. I'll export this chart in PNG format. I open the index.csv file, remove the existing code, and add a button to export the chart as an image. To handle its click event, I navigate to the Home Controller class and import the necessary namespaces. Then, I define an action method with the return type, ActionResult. Inside this method, I initialize an instance of Excel Engine and create an iApplication instance. I set the default version to XLSX and initialize the XLSIO Renderer instance. Then, I configure the chart rendering options to set the export image format to PNG and set the scaling mode to best. Next, I create a file stream instance to retrieve the existing Excel file using the appropriate file access options. I use this stream to open the workbook and access the worksheet that contains the data. I then access the chart in the worksheet. To export the image, I define a helper method called exportImage. This method creates a memory stream, saves the chart as an image to the stream, resets the stream position, and returns the file as a downloadable image. I invoke this method, passing the chart, file name, and content type. I save and run the application. When I click the button, the image is downloaded. As you can see, the chart is exported in PNG image format. Next, I'll show you how to export the Excel chart as an image in JPEG format. I start by adding a button and defining an action method with the return type ActionResult. Inside this method, I reuse the existing code with a few modifications. The key change is updating the image format to JPEG and changing the output file name accordingly. When I click the button, the image is downloaded. On opening it, the chart is rendered as a JPEG image. That's a wrap. In this video, I have shown you how to export an Excel chart as an image using the Syncfusion .NET Excel Library. You can download the working example from the GitHub link in the description. I have also shared a link where you can learn about obtaining a free license key to use our document SDK through our community license if you qualify. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.